I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
Made in Thailand.
Check me. Sick. I open this. Okay.
So you drink more water in Thailand than you do in Hawaii, yeah, man?
Probably.
Because of the weather.
Yeah.
Yeah. More hot. Smell is cuttlefish, bro. It's not it's plamut, man. You gotta try that one. Pat Piawan. Yeah, I want him to try. We have same sweet sour, but no same Pat Piawan. You gotta try, bro. And this is cuttlefish, bro. Looks like squid, but it's not. It's cuttlefish.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, go. I need my. I'm waiting for my plate.
You want vest? One
Yeah,
vest?
try. I need plate. What that move? Oh yeah, good for you.
วัว
Wow.
ร้านนี้ no have หมูวัวกับ chicken
Try.
fish
She's you gonna get for $120. This is cheap. This is where it's at. Probably not going.
Visa.
No, yeah, the cash.
I try to save my cash.
You sure? You want me to go half with you?
No, I get it. I just trying to save my cash.
No, I got it.
so.
I'll get the taxi back.
Hmm?
I'll get the taxi. If you're getting lunch, thank you.
No. You get the what?
I'll get the taxi back.
Oh.
I'll take care of it. You're getting lunch. But you know what? For 3 people, it was still under 200 a piece.
Oh.
How many dishes did you get? 1? Wow, that's 4 dishes. Bro. So it only averaged 160. That's cheap. It's not that bad.